Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see two important journals which are there in Annexure-I list of journals. So Annexure-I is from Anna University, where they have given a specific journal, that is they have a specific set of journals where it is considered to be having a high impact, and even few journals will be under Scopus and Web of Science. So let us see. Okay, so this is what the link where you can find the Annexure-I journal list. Okay, so here if you just scroll down, you can find some more many list here, that is many journals here. And if you want to see the Annexure-II, you can also find it over there. So let us see the very first journal. Okay, that is European Journal of Industrial Engineering. Let us see whether it is there in Annexure-I. Go to the search bar and select paste it here. Yes, it is there. Okay, so it is, the publisher is in the science publisher. Okay, so let us check the online ISSN as well, 17515262. Okay, so 5254 it is, then you have to check ISSN print. Okay, so anyhow you have to cross check whether, you should be very clear that whether you are in a cloned website or you are in a proper website, cloned journal website. Okay, so it is always recommended to cross check twice or thrice before you consider any journal. Next one is you have to check what is the frequency of the journal, like how many times in a year they are publishing it. So here you can see they are publishing 6 issues per year, so you have greater chance. No worries, let us scroll down. So they have site score of 2.4. Good. And then you have to go for scope of the journal. So what are the topic they are included? Okay, business and strategy, decision analysis, engineering, economy, cost estimation, ICT and information system. So they have various topic, they are covering various topics. Okay, and then you can also find about some more about the objective. If you scroll down, you can see the citation. Okay, of course they are in SCI and also in Scopus, so you are good to go. Then we have to check for the publication fee, so that is another important one. So go to the submission article. So here you can find this, there is no charges for publishing with IndaScience. Perfect. Another thing, you have to also go through this author guideline which is given to you. So some, in few journals you can find that the author guideline will be in a PDF format. In few journals you can find that the author information will be directly available, where you can just go through whatever you want to know. So here you can find what are the expected academic and professional protocols you have to follow, and open access policy, adding co-author. And you also should know like how many days it will take to publish your journal after your submission. Okay, that is like how long they will take for the first review, how many days they will be sending you the first review report, and what will happen after that. Okay, and then second is you have to check this submission checklist. Okay, what are the important thing you have to submit it before, that is you have to be very ready, keep ready while submitting your article. So everything you have to see this. And even after this, if you have any doubt, okay, you have a peer review system. If you click here, you can find out like how many days it happened and how they are doing this peer review and everything. Okay, and important thing is if you have any doubts, you can go to the mail, you can get the mail ID and then you can send a mail to the person. So here you can see a contact us, you can get the mail ID. Okay, editorial matters, editorial subscription inquiries, online access, general inquiries. Either you can leave a feedback over here, or else you can directly mail them. Like if you want to know any specific thing which is not given here in their website, then you can probably mail them. So this is the first website which we have discussed. So let us move on to the second website, that is European Journal of Communication. So let us also find whether this journal is there in Annexure-I. Yes, European Journal of Communication is there. It's of Sage Publication. It is by Sage Publications Limited. So you have to check for the scope. Okay, so let us go to journal info. Of course, it will be either in the journal info or in the author information. Okay, so you can click here journal description to know more about it. Aim and scope, to know what is the scope of the journal and what are the topics they are just concentrating on. So you can find it over here. Okay, abstracting and indexing. So where they are like Scopus, okay, it's there in Scopus, and you can directly go ahead and this is what the indexing, other indexings they have. So since the name itself, you can find the journal of communication. So if you want to know more about any other thing, you can also find it, like what is the scope and what is their important consideration, like what is their important objective. So other than that, we can check for the submission fee. There is no fee payable to submit or publish this article. Okay, other than this, you can find more information here in the journal info itself, like submission guidelines. Okay, abstracting and indexing, reprint, journal permission, everything you can find it here. And if you want to know more about it, you can just go and look at this. And the impact factor is 3.110. Of course, it's a good impact factor. Okay, they have a good impact factor. So here you can find more about the journal, that is what are all the important scope of the journal. Global scholarly community, rigorously peer reviewed. Okay, this everything. So in the next video, we'll be discussing about some more important journal which are under Annexure 1. Stay tuned, and if you have any queries regarding research, please post it in the comment. I'll be definitely helping you out. Thank you. Stay safe. Bye bye.